Hi, friends. So today you're going to be reading the super shorts articles in our magazine. So you're going to be reading pages 2 through page 5. All right. So and those are a bunch of tiny little articles. So we have the stories Mud Madness, In the Swim, More Than Meets the Eye, Rub-a-Dub-Dub, Body of Water, and Make Way for Ducks. Those are all the um, super shorts little articles you're going to be reading. All right, so let's go over some of the vocabulary that we might need. Okay, our first super short is called Mud Madness, and it talks a little bit about wheelbarrows. So wheelbarrows, it's a small kind of little cart or little wagon thing that's got one wheel in the front, two handles in the back, and you push it. And then crowned. If someone is crowned, it means they're named king or queen, right? In the little miniature story, the little super short In the Swim, I like this one a lot. I think it's really fun and interesting. Wallow, it means to roll around in, all right? And just looking at the picture of that goes with that article, I wonder why the word wallow is used. I wonder who's in that story, this little article that does a lot of wallowing. And surf, it's the waves of the sea. Surf can also be like the sport where you stand on the surfboard and you try to go over the waves of the sea. Um, then more than meets the eye, iceberg. Okay, it's a large piece of ice floating in the sea, and we'll learn a lot more about that there. And then Rub-a-Dub-Dub. This one is really fun too. Um, it's all about some monkeys that live in Japan. And when I lived in Japan, I got to visit these monkeys and see them. It was really cool. And then the last little super short is a body of water. Okay, there aren't too many special words in that. And then Make Way for Ducks, it talks about a charity. A charity is just a group or an organization that helps people in need, maybe by helping them do things or raising money, that sort of thing. Okay, so you're going to be reading these super short stories. They're pretty straightforward. These are, I think, some of the easiest story articles that we read in our magazine. And then you're going to be doing the first 2 pages of your packet that ask you some little questions about each super short. So all you have to do is read those questions and then answer them. They're pretty straightforward. Remember, use your text if you're not sure. But don't just copy sentences straight out of the magazine. Try to put things in your own words, all right? Take the author's words, think about what they mean, and then put them in your own words to answer the questions, all right? We want to be able to answer things in our own words. All right, I hope you enjoyed these articles. They're a lot of kind of fun things. Bye.